Hello traders, it's Sunday, September the 25th, and this is OptionsXO's weekly market review. Investors were able to take a breath of relief when the Federal Reserve remained cautious last week. Criticism of the U.S. Central Bank remains high, but investors were happy to be given some clarity in the ability to brush the shadows of the Fed away. Wall Street did well after the Fed held steady with its interest rate. It will be interesting to see if the rally on the major indexes starts to run out of gas this week. The U.S. dollar, which traded weaker against other major currencies in FX after the Fed decision, actually started to reverse on Friday and see the dollar get stronger. Fed Chairwoman Janet Yellen will be testifying in Washington, D.C. on Wednesday. The CB consumer confidence numbers will come on Tuesday, and important GDP data will be published on Thursday from the states. The Bank of Japan's interest rate decision last week will still be interpreted by investors. The yen did trade weaker in the Asian trading sessions on Friday, but as the day wore on, the yen got stronger again. The Nikkei and other Asian stock indexes will be of high interest this week as the market sentiment is weighed by financial institutions. Japanese economic data continues to turn in very lackluster numbers. Traders should pay plenty of attention to the value of the yen this coming week because it will be a good barometer of risk appetite. If the yen continues to get stronger, this could be a bad indication. Several news services reported on Saturday that Angela Merkel, the Chancellor of Germany, has said that her government will not help Deutsche Bank with its current fiscal problems, nor will the German government help the bank with its legal entanglements that are developing with the states. This may only prove to be political rhetoric, but her stance may make European investors nervous. The euro did well against the US dollar last week, but went into the weekend having lost some momentum. A German business climate report will be published on Monday, and German data has been worrying traders the past couple of weeks. The UK will see plenty of data this week. The pound gained initially after the US Fed decision not to raise rates, but gave those gains back on Friday and finds itself weaker and on important support levels entering this week of trading. Crude oil has continued to trade near its lower values. The largest oil producers will be meeting this week and will try to coordinate reductions of supply, but a comprehensive agreement is not expected. Gold has seen its value rise, but it now stands near an important level in which resistance has been able to create headwinds before the precious metal. Both crude oil and gold should be watched closely this week. Monday's data highlight may be the German IFO business climate reading at 8 GMT in the morning. Tuesday, we'll see the CB consumer confidence results from the states at 2 GMT in the afternoon. On Wednesday, Janet Yellen will testify in Washington, D.C. at 2. The U.S. will publish its gross domestic product figures on Thursday at 12:30 GMT in the afternoon. And Friday, U.S. will close with the Chicago Purchasing Managers Index results at 1:45 GMT, which could prove interesting. Visit us every day for our daily previews, trading tips, and tactics and analysis reports. We wish you all a great start of the week, and thank you for watching.